Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a weatherguard 44 by 42 inch shelf. Let's get into it. All right, this is an adjustable shelving unit from weatherguard. It's 44 inches by 42 inches, and I believe it's 13.5 inches deep. Just confirm that. Yes, got that right. Nice shipping straps here. Looks like you get 4 of them. It's gonna keep this box together while it's shipping because it is heavy. It comes in at 67 pounds for shipping. So some decent weight there to be shipping around in a box. As I open this, you can see how nicely everything is kind of kept in place. We do have these little dunnage blocks right here to keep this from shoving back and forth. We have some foam blocks over here to keep it from moving back and forth. That's the biggest problem when shipping heavy steel components like this, is it shifts around in the box and shoots through the end or something like that. It gets thrown 7 times by package handlers if it's going through parcel, or even when it's shipped on a pallet. Just the movement of pallet jacks and forklifts and all that can really cause damage. So I like how this is packaged from weatherguard right here. Right here is your installation kit. This is all of the hardware and components you need to install the shelf in the van after it's assembled. So looks like this is all of our assembly hardware right here. This is our installation hardware right here. The thing that I love that weatherguard does with all of their components that require installation is they give you plus nuts, which are little inserts. Basically, you use an existing hole in sheet metal or you drill a hole, you put in this plus nut, and then there's a tool that essentially expands that nut almost like a drywall anchor that expands it and compresses on the sheet metal, so it gives you a nice mounting location. Pretty much every other brand, they don't give you that tool. You have to buy it separately, but weatherguard gives it to you. Basically, anytime you have a plus nut in the kit, they give you that installation tool for free, so that's like a $20 value right there. So installation hardware right here, assembly hardware right here. We have our little basic warning label and stuff like that. There's a QR code right here to download the installation manual, or you can go to our website, upfitsupply.com, put in the part number, and we'll give you a link right there. These are little brackets for mounting the feet to the floor. So the feet on the end panels of the shelf to the floor of the van, give you these as well. The other thing that weatherguard does, which is pretty nice, is they give you dividers. So your top shelf here is like 10.5 inches wide, and your lower 2 shelves are, 13.5 inches deep. So you get a set of, I believe, 4 dividers. I'll open these up real quick so you can see what these look like. You basically get dividers for the top shelf and for your bottom 2 shelves, or wherever you want to mount those other shelves. They look like this. They slide into kind of engineered locations on the shelf. So if I show you, this is the top shelf. It's a little bit narrower. There's these little slits. I don't know, you can probably see it on this camera better. These little slits right here. These slide into those slits like that, give you dividers on the shelf. If you want them, use them. You got them. If you don't have to. So they have them for both this narrow shelf and the deeper shelves. A lot of other shelving brands, you have to buy those separately. So it's a nice little addition that weatherguard includes with their shelving. So this is our top panel, or our top shelf, if you will. It's a little bit more narrower because the shelf tapers towards the top, so that if you have, your roof of your van starts to taper in, you can basically get a higher shelf in there when they taper it like that. We have mounting locations right here, pre-threaded, a weld nut. It's technically not a weld nut. It looks like it's like a press-in type of nut there. So really all you need to assemble it is these, looks like serrated hex bolts that go into place. They lock in place. There's no additional hardware needed because you got basically your nuts built into the shelves. So this is 42 inches wide. So I don't know if I said that. It's a 42-inch wide shelf, 44 inches high. Again, nice dunnage here to keep that shelf in place. And then we have our end panels right here. Again, this is 44 inches high. You can see that this is the bottom kind of tapers like this in case sometimes the floor on the van kind of has like an angle part. So this just allows you to push that shelf up against the wall as close as possible. Same thing on the top where we have this taper. So, you know, if you're in like a standard roof van or like an Express Econoline and you have that taper in the roof line, you can really get as tall a shelf as you can in there because you taper it here and you put this little cutout for the floor. So this is our end panel right here. On the top, we have these two little tabs for sliding in that top shelf, and then you're gonna secure it with those bolts in those holes. And then you basically can put the other two shelves that are included at whatever level you want to. Sometimes you have to clear a wheel well, so you'll have to like mount one of them higher. But again, it really depends on your specific situation. Got our weatherguard logo right there. They make their shelving in what they call the bright white finish. It's almost the same color as the interior of the van. Just keeps the interior of your van a little bit brighter than your typical gray or black shelving. Got another one right here, left and right panel. More dunnage protection, and then we're gonna have our two shelves right here sandwiched together. Pull these out. You can take one of them out. That's the only other one in the box. But again, you can mount these like this so you have the lip on the front. You can put those dividers in here if you want to, or you can flip this around so you have the flush top. Maybe you've got a toolbox with a clipping system like a pack out or something like that, and you want to mount on here, you can do that. So you've got a bunch of different options in terms of mounting height or orientation of this shelf. We get two of these 13.5-inch deep shelves, one of the 10.5 for that top part where the shelf tapers, and then your two end panels and everything you need to install in the van, really everything that you need, including that plus nut installation tool. So great little kit here from WeatherGuard. If you're looking for this shelving unit or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.